After a short ride on Taipei's MRT, I'm heading towards one of the city's most peaceful escapes, the Shilin Residence Park. Outside, the air is already warming up. Locals pass by with umbrellas, Taipei's universal shield against the sun. In this neighborhood, you'll find buses, scooters, 7-Eleven on the corner, and I decided to get something cold before the walk. Fresh pastries line the window, and the baristas are already in full motion. I grab my drink, step outside, and the cool cup hits perfectly in this heat. Bubble tea, or boba, was invented in Taiwan in the 1980s. Refreshed, I start to walk towards the park, and the moment I reach the open green paths, it feels like Taipei suddenly exhales. This park was once a private garden for Taiwan's former leader, and today it's one of the most beautifully maintained public spaces in the city. A brown and white heron casually strolls by. These birds are regulars here. Inside, rows of purple flowers line the path. The air smells like fresh grass and soil, and there's a quietness that settles in the moment you step under the trees. Ahead is the park map. The Shilin Residence is big, nearly 9 hectares of gardens, ponds, historic structures, and green corridors. The landscaping is immaculate, and this directional sign points to the different areas of the park. But of course, the stairs catch my attention, and in Taipei, stairs usually mean one thing: a better view. As I climb, bamboo rustles on the sides of the path, large stones peek between the leaves, and the wood railing guides me upward. It feels like a small mountain trail tucked inside the city. The air is cool here, sheltered by layers of canopy. Shilin Park is known for its biodiversity, with over 200 plant species carefully arranged throughout the grounds. One more set of stairs, quiet, empty, and surrounded by thick greenery. At the top sits a white 2-level pavilion. This is the park's observation pavilion, a place for visitors to rest, cool off, and enjoy its elevated view. From the rooftop, the skyline opens up. It's beautiful, breezy, and elevated enough to be removed from the city without ever leaving it. Next stop, the Rose Garden. Even out of season, the winding S-shaped path is beautiful. It's often used for wedding photos and small ceremonies when the roses are in bloom. There are flowers in the garden beds. These plot change throughout the year and sometimes feature heritage vegetables or seasonal flowering plants. Across the lawn sits a wooden art installation, curving planks forming a tunnel-like sculpture visitors can walk through. It draws the eye immediately, blending modern design with the natural landscape. Nearby, a fountain sprays water in the air, surrounded by blooming pots. It's the perfect resting spot. I head into the park's greenhouse, a warm, humid space filled with houseplants, tropical species, and curated displays. It feels like walking into a botanical museum. Rows of vibrant green fills the hall, ferns, rare foliage plants, all displayed under filtered, natural light. Outside, the red building catches my eye. With its temple-style roof, it houses a rainforest plant exhibit, home to orchids, ferns, carnivorous plants, and other tropical species. The roof is decorated with gold and red trim, a traditional style used to honor spaces of cultural significance. Inside, a photographer is working, capturing the orchids and rare plants. The collection is stunning. I stop at the blooming Vanda orchid, bright purple with rich details on each petal. beautiful. Nearby, Venus flytraps and sundews sit in shallow trays, tiny predators waiting patiently for their next meal. Back outside, I finally reached the historic residence itself, the former home of Chiang Kai-Shek and Madame Chiang. Today, it's a museum with preserved rooms and personal belongings. I grab a ticket and head in. Video isn't allowed inside, but the home tells a vivid story, from state meeting rooms to quiet personal quarters. A quick collage shows the interior: elegant living rooms, vintage sofas, the bedroom, dining areas. There's military uniforms. It feels frozen in time, preserved just as it was. Thank you for joining me on this walk. If you enjoy this peaceful escape in Taipei, be sure to subscribe. More hidden corners and journeys are on the way.